this video, I'm going to be talking about 7 reasons why 99% of the people who try to be successful on Redbubble fail. If you're someone who's struggling to get your first sale, or if you're even struggling to get consistent sales, this is definitely a video you're going to want to watch. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. Anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. And if you happen to be new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on to make sure that you're not missing out on videos that could potentially help you to make some extra cash online. This is someone that recently got their first ever sale on Redbubble using a sticker method I spoke about in one of my sticker related videos. And if you want this to be you, if you've not got a sale, there'll be a playlist link below with all my Redbubble videos. And one more thing, for anyone that's looking to get extra information on how to actually make money online using sites like Redbubble, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you're looking to make this more into a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step course that's linked just below that. Check that out if that's something you think you'd be interested in. Now today I'm bringing you the second installment in the why 99% of people fail on Redbubble series. If you haven't already seen the part 1, it will be linked down in the description, and at the end of this video, if you want, you can actually watch that to get 5 more reasons as to why I feel 99% of the people that actually try to be successful on Redbubble fail. But today we've got 7 brand new reasons as to why, and I hope through giving these points I can help some of you guys start to get your first sales. And with that said, let's get into the first reason. Now, most people think simple designs don't work on Redbubble. They want to try to create complicated designs, and by doing this, they just end up making things difficult for themselves. Now, I personally have sold a lot of simple text-based designs, and if you go out there on Redbubble, you can actually find a lot of shops that are having a lot of success with text related designs. Now on the screen now, you should be able to see an example of a shop that's like this, that is very simple text related designs. And as you should be able to see on the screen, this shop is having a lot of success from just simple text related designs. Now when it comes to this, I'm not saying go out there and copy shops like this and take their designs, but look into things you like or find a way to recreate your own style of designs that are simple, and you could potentially also end up with the same amount of success. Don't make things harder for yourself than they need to be. Now the second reason is the fact that a lot of people don't take advantage of some of the more underrated products on Redbubble. Now one of them is greetings cards. I've actually made a full video talking about greetings cards, showing you guys my profit margins, as well as showing results that other people within the Facebook group have got that are subscribed to this channel. If you want more info on that, it'll be linked down in the description. But just to quickly go over it, taking advantage of underrated products like greetings cards will allow you to have less competition in some particular niches you might want to go in, and with less competition, there's a higher chance of getting sales. And at the time of making this video, just think Christmas is coming up. So if you was to mix Christmas designs and greetings cards, you might be able to actually make yourself some extra cash. Now the third reason as to why a lot of people are actually failing is the fact that people just jump straight into big niches. And when I say big niches, I'm talking about big keywords. For example, funny t-shirt. If someone was to title funny t-shirt, the niche that it will go into will have a lot of results. In fact, I'll show you an example on the screen now of how many results pop up under funny t-shirt. And I understand not everyone will just put funny t-shirt on their design. Some people could put cat. And once again, there's a lot of results there. Or even doctor, the search results are crazy. Now a lot of people do this, they just title something under a big niche like that and think that they'll get sales. And let me tell you now guys, doing that will put you on a straight path to failure. You don't want that. The way around this is to actually look into sub niches under these big words. Now on Redbubble, if you were to type in doctor on the search bar, towards the top of the page, you'll actually see a little section that will have other keywords related to the niche that you're in. Now, if you go through those keywords and you keep scrolling through, you will find some keywords that have a lot less results than the main keyword you would have typed in. Especially if you're someone that's new, you want to be creating in those smaller sub niches to increase your chances of potentially getting sales. Not a lot of people actually know that. Before I go on to the next reason, another thing that links perfectly to this is also using the trending feature. Now on Redbubble, if you go on the search bar and type in a letter, on the drop down, it will show you 3 keywords on that letter that are trending. They're usually indicated by a little arrow. And for the most part, if you check through them, 9 times out of 10, you will find a trend that has very, very low competition that you can actually get sales with very fast. So the next reason as to why a lot of people don't find that success they want is the fact that they are not using collections. Now, a lot of people just jump in and create a store that's based on one niche. Now, if you're someone who's never been on Redbubble before, who doesn't have any experience in what sells or doesn't sell, I would not recommend this because you have a very high chance of actually being disappointed. What I would recommend though is to create a store that covers various niches, just to give you an idea of which niche would perform best for you. And within that store, to make it more user friendly for the people that might actually go into your shop, you want to create collections that feature the different niches. That way, if someone goes in your shop for a particular niche, they can click on the collections and see what else is in there. A lot of people don't make good use of that feature, and it's a feature you should 100% be using, even if you're getting sales now, because this could even further increase the sales that you're getting. The next reason in line is the fact that people are not using the correct profit margins. Now what this does, let's say you get a sale on a sticker, for example, and your profit margins are set at the default, which is 20%. From that sticker sale, you can make cents or pennies. Now for anyone that's looking to make Redbubble into some sort of part-time income or even full-time income, pennies and cents will demotivate you. This will stop you from progressing and will probably end up in you wanting to give up. So the way around this is to increase your profit margins. Now, a lot of people might think that if they increase their profit margins, they might not actually get sales on their product. I am here to tell you that that is not the case. If you do not want to fail, if you do not want to give up, you need to rise those profit margins up. 2 products you can try this on right now are your stickers and your greetings cards. And if you're someone that's already getting sales in those things already, try setting your profit margins to 80% on each of them at first and watch what happens. In fact, you don't even have to wait to see what happens. On the screen now, you should be able to see 2 products that I sold at a margin of 100% on each. As you see, a sticker as well as a greetings card that I sold with a profit margin of 100%. And trust me, if I can do it, so can you. The 6th reason, which is something more and more people need to actually pay attention to, is the fact that Redbubble are adding more products to the site. Now, a lot of people actually don't find success because they don't take advantage of the new products. So when Redbubble release new products, sometimes they aren't automatically activated. So you want to be able to activate those products as soon as possible. And let's just say Redbubble releases a new product and you're one of the first people to have a design activated on that product. In whatever niche you're in, you have a very high chance of actually getting sales. So make sure you're always checking your store. You're always checking to see if there's any additional products Redbubble has added. One of the most recent ones was the fitted masks. A lot of people didn't actually realize that was there and missed out on a chance of getting a lot of extra sales. And the final reason, which is very simple but effective, I notice a lot of people don't actually research what is doing well on Redbubble. They just think of an idea, they just throw it out there and they hope for the best. Now, if you're looking to make a lot of sales in a short space of time, you never want to go into things blind. You want to do your research, see what kind of things are doing well on the site, and see if there's any way you can create things in your own way. And this is very simple to do. On Redbubble, if you type something in the search bar, when the listings pop up, you want to sort by best selling. The things that pop up at the top will show you an idea of what people are buying a lot of in that niche. So when you're designing certain things, you have an idea of what's already selling, if that makes sense. History repeats itself. If someone sells something and you create your own version of something that might be a little bit similar, you could be using different font, different colors, your own unique styles, and this goes across in things like tags, titles as well. There's a high chance that you will end up getting a sale as well. So research is important. It's the basic things, the fundamentals that will take you to the success that you're looking for. So make sure that you're implementing all those 7 things that I've spoke about to put you in the 1% of people who do become successful. And if you either learned something new in this video or you liked what you heard, check out the part 1 that I made a couple of months ago. I actually talk about 5 more reasons why people aren't that successful on Redbubble. If you enjoyed this, you'll enjoy that one as well. If you're still watching at this point of the video, drop a like and go down in the comment section and comment, "I am the 1%. I'll respond to as many people as I can. And nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.